In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or add email roles in Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to make a set of roles or set some roles concerning your mails, log into your Outlook account and then go to settings on top here. From this, go to mail and click on it. Then you should see under layout, we have this option called roles. So if I tap on roles, here you can now set your own roles. Currently, I do not have any. So I'm told you can create roles that tell Outlook how to handle incoming email messages. To add a new role, click on add new, then give your role a name, maybe out of office, like that. And then I'll add a condition. What happens if I'm out of office? Here you can set your condition. For instance, I am not in line, and then an action. I can decide this should be moved to someone if I want to organize, or I can choose to mark them as so, either junk, red, and so, or I can reroute them by choosing any of this, forward to, redirect to, or forward as an attachment. Just choose what applies to you. So I may want to copy to, and then I'll have to select the folder, maybe inbox, archive, deleted, or create a new one. Choose the one you wish and it will be set. You can also add another action as you wish, or add an exemption if you wish so. Once you're done, now click on save, and this will save your roles. So that's how you can add roles on incoming emails in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.